Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this session of HTML Coding 101, we're going to talk about HTML's title tag. Now, title is something we have talked about previously as well, but today very quickly, very briefly, let's just explore a little bit more in depth about what this title is and what title has been doing. Now, if you have been following me, I've been discussing about all this entire HTML topics using W3Schools as a website, as a reference website. Again, as a short disclaimer, I'm not being paid and this is not a sponsored or official website official video of this particular website. I'm just using it as a enthusiastic as a coding. I love this website and I've been using it for a long time. So I thought, okay, let's just use this. So in this now almost I think 13th session, we're going to talk more about titles using this website. Okay, so let's begin. No, title are basically, as we have already discussed several times, I believe, slightly, are name of your page. So whatever is the name of your page that you want to be displayed on the title bar, basically we use this under title tag. So title literally basically means the title of your web page. It's like the name of your web page that will be displayed on your tab bar. So everything that you write inside this title tag basically gets displayed onto the title page of your tab bar. Okay, this again is also considered as a metadata. It tells the system, the browsers, that what is the page about. It is a home page, it is a PHP page, it's a HTML page, whatever content basically you're using. Your website can have so many things. So titles help us to identify exactly what we are viewing within our browser, what page we are viewing within our browser. It's a quite nifty and quite useful thing that we do. Every web pages in the world tend to use their titles very effectively. This can also be used for metadata, for searching informations as well. So whenever we use title, the information that we see on our tabs, basically this is where the title goes. Okay, so whatever you want to name your page, for example, if it's HTML tutorial, that's what we want. When I'm in CSS, it should display me CSS tutorials. If I'm in JavaScript, it will tell me JavaScript. That's what title does for us. So title defines title in your browser's toolbar. It also provides a title for the page when it is added to the favorites. So next major key thing is that when you add a page to your favorites, this title basically gets this saved as your page name. So your page name within your favorites will be actually your title page. So that's why we want to make sure that the title page is as descriptive and as simple as possible, so that when people save it within their favorites, they can very easily search this page as well. So it displays a title for the page in the search engine results as well. As I just said, this title page is again also used by this title tag and title page information is again used by your browsers, your search engines as well, to search about your particular page from your history as well. One other thing I think is mentioned here is that once you save this page, your browsing history, the pages you visit actually are saved based on your page title as well. So browsers also save it as a history. They also use, if you search your history, the pages you have visited, they again use the page titles for that search purpose as well as search engines and your favorites toolbar as well. So title has quite multiple uses. That's why we tend to use it. Typically, we always prefer to use title within the head tag. Okay, so do keep a mind of it, because technically, as we discussed previously in HTML, everything that goes for the browser goes inside the head tag. Everything that is to be displayed to the user within this web page bound is given written inside the body tag. So technically, title is actually information to the browser, telling it's the name of the page, and then the browser uses it for favorites, for search history, for showing it on the tab, and then allowing metadata for search engines as well. So this actual information is for the browser. That's why we always prefer to use it inside the head tag. Okay, so that's all about title for now, and I hope you understand it. In the next session, we're going to talk more about the wonderful tables in HTML. See you in next session.